morning and welcome back. And after an exhausting week and weekend, in fact an exhausting 3 weeks, I'm finally off again. And not back to work this time, thank God, but what can you do in 37 minutes? Well, in 37 minutes today, I'm going from the Folkestone side to the Calais side, and then I'm going down to stay the night in the roof bunk opposite the Parc de Finlande, the cat park, just outside Paris, which is going to be tremendous. So yeah, today's a travel and recovery day because it's been an absolutely punishing weekend. We went down to the coast at Lulworth over the weekend to go and test the new roof bunk. Managed to stick both the ladies up there without too much squabbling. And now it's my turn. So what are we going to do today? Right, we're going to drive 3 hours on the other side down to Paris. I've got to pull over and get a toothbrush because mysteriously I managed to forget my toothbrush. And have a little go into Carrefour to go and get some milk so I can have some porridge tomorrow. And then we're going to go and have a look at some fantastic wildlife. So stick with us. I've got 12 days over here, and in those 12 days I'm going to organise some concrete, pay my land tax, mow all the brambles with my new FS 450 brush cutter, and then that'll be about it. So I've got 12 days. Anyway, so a nice slow start. Tonight we're just going to get settled into the camping, at the Camping of the Four Winds. Tomorrow, cat park, and then go and see Runters, Marshy and Leia, and then down to the MRI.